Hello guys, welcome to another different photo manipulation in Photoshop 2020. So let's start. This is the camera lens, so I need to use from the camera and landscape. First, select this one and move, drag and drop to here. Hold Alt key, change the scale and move a little bit up there. And next, click on apply, so close this one, landscape, go to landscape image, close this one. So and now time to move the camera, set the camera right there, set the camera here. So next, close the camera to select this image. So I need to cut this both side of the trainway. First, change opacity like this and set right there, a little bit down, set here, set to center and select the camera length, Ctrl Z, lock this one, select the camera length, set right there. Okay, what's next? Select the layer 3 and select polygon lasso, cut 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and continue like this to layer, press delete. Okay, and now Ctrl D, deselect, go to opacity, change to 100. Let's zoom in, change opacity a little bit down, and let me erase this area. So how to do this? Hold Control, take a look, click here, and now you have selected the camera. Select this image and select eraser, change eraser flow opacity to 100. Ctrl Z, right click, select the hard round, change the scale of the eraser, one click here, one click here, press Ctrl plus D to deselect, change the size like this. Now zoom out. Okay guys, and now you can see the camera lens and the trainway on the landscape. So what's next? Select both character by going to select menu, select subject. After selecting subject, drag and drop to here. Hold Alt key, scale down the size and set here. Set right there, set here. Okay guys, and now let's select the sun lens flare, close this one too, drag and drop here, hold Alt key, change the size, and now change mode to screen, set here and click on apply. Select eraser, soft round eraser, erase this area, and now select the first layer 5, go to where, click here, click on adjustment layer, select color lookup. You can change the preset of color lookup to select a different color grade for this image. So select this one. So first select the characters, hold Alt key, set here, set right there. How to create the shadow for these characters? Select layer, make a copy, select the bottom layer of the characters, right click, go to blending option and select color overlay, change color of the shadow to dark, click apply, click OK, press Ctrl plus T on keyboard and right click, select distort, move it down like this. Okay, and now click apply, select eraser, select magic wand from the tool. So let's select smudge, select the smudge tool, make a little bit big size for the cursor and move. Go back to opacity and change the opacity percentage into 50. And now you can see the final result for the manipulation. So if you need to make dark for this layer 1, click here, go to select labels and control the labels from here to make darker from here, darker. So my focus is just on layer 1. Control, make more darker like this. Select the camera, go to labels and control from here. Turn on the isolate, make darker like this. Select another part, the layer, go to select the labels, control now to make darker. Turn on the isolate to make darker and select the characters, click on adjustment layer, labels to make darker for this one, turn on, make dark, and finally click OK, select the layer 5, the sun, and then go back to adjustment and select on vibrant, move it up, make a little bit black and white, and now go back to crop, select the crop tool, hold Alt key to crop like a portrait, move the crop center and apply. Here you can see the final result of the manipulation. Okay guys, I hope you liked this project. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.